What day is it today? It's Monday. Hello everyone! How are you today? Today we are going to make a rolling calendar. Yay! Are you ready? Great! Let's go! You should prepare a piece of paper, 2 colored papers, 2 toilet paper rolls, a blank marker, a box cutter, scissors, a glue stick, a roller, and a roll-up tape. First, make the colored paper fit the length of the toilet paper roll and cut it. Paste it to the toilet paper roll with a glue stick. Cut the toilet paper roll vertically. Draw 2 rectangles 3 cm wide and 1 cm long in the middle of the toilet paper roll. Cut them along the lines. Draw a rectangle as the same size as the toilet paper roll on the paper. Place the toilet paper roll on the paper and draw 4 lines along the vertical lines of the 2 rectangles. Write down the name of 7 days on the left side and write down the number 1 to 3 and 0 to 9 on the right side like this. Cut along the outline of the rectangle. Paste the paper to the other toilet paper roll with a glue stick. Cut the toilet paper roll into 3 pieces like this. Put the second toilet paper roll inside the first one and tape the edges of the first one. Make sure that the second toilet paper roll fits in the first one. Draw the symbol of October on the colored paper and cut it along the outline. Paste the symbol of October to the toilet paper roll with a glue stick. What day is it today? It's Monday. Okay everyone, was it fun today? I hope so. Then see you next time. Bye-bye.